So when I first started this channel, what I did was completely concentrate on music. And while I absolutely love that, I also had, appreciation for a lot of the other content that was coming out. So at the time, I was mainly focusing on one artist. I'm like, I need to expand this to some of the groups I love. Some of the groups I grew up with listening to when I fully dedicated myself to, you know what? Let's lose some weight here. I mean, this was one of the bands that I would just be going at it on the elliptical, lifting weights, doing whatever. And it was because of the upbeat vibe and the lyrics. It was never melancholy or really sad. And then it was never really too sappy, which I loved sappy songs. I mean, I Knew I Loved You Before I Met You. I mean, Jesus Christ, who didn't love that song? I know many of you probably didn't, but I did. So when I play this, I want to keep at the forefront one of these things, with the exception of Jared Leto, which I believe he was an actor before he came out with 30 Seconds to Mars, because he was in Fight Club. You have this guy. I know his name is Jordan. I don't know his last name, but to me, he is one of the best actors in his music videos. I mean, he got the skills, and I think I could pretty much judge, given my recent, success, which of course you guys haven't seen yet, but I don't know if that's bad to do a review on yourself in a movie, but when that time comes, which probably won't be for another year, definitely, I have the appreciation for the art. I have for many years. And when I could say and look at somebody man, he is a good actor given what, he's expected to do in this music videos that they make. Yeah, again, he's the front man. He's going to be the one pretty much featured by himself until kind of close to the end. But I have never heard a mesh of two songs like this. And this is what just kind of intrigued me. I was like, wow, that is definitely unique. So I hope you guys enjoyed this song. It is called The Sound of Two Voices, which is probably a good way to describe the sound of the meshing of these two songs, or these two genres. So hope you enjoy. Let me also mention, he has a really, really, really good voice. During COVID, the height of the lockdown and everything, they were doing acoustic specials, or, unplugged. And just singing straight out from a mic without any type of, mixing, mastering, engineering, anything of that sort. His voice is phenomenal.
It's like a blender, the sound of two voices. My heart seems to fail me. It put me in a stranger's bed. It hurt who I love the most. I'll never trust it again. That's why I don't want what I want. 'Cause what I want, it just might kill me. And I won't think of my needs. 'Cause what I need, I know there's never enough for me. Envy is endless. I used to pick mistakes up on a board.
here all cheesing with a smile on my face the whole time. Interesting freaking mashup of reggae and that, typical punk rock. These guys have been in the game for over 20 years. So, when I look at them, I still see them as I did when I first started listening to them. They've sang songs like My Friends Over You. Gosh, there's too many to name, but that was one of their bigger ones, or It's All Downhill From Here. They haven't, they've been able to come up with different sounds, but haven't exactly just went away from what, garnered them their fan base. And I think, like I said, they're probably my favorite. I want to hear what more of Blink 182 has to do now that Tom DeLonge came back. But back to my music days, just for this video, love the song. Absolutely loved it. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, I rarely do music videos, but I had to when I heard the mixing of these type of genres. It was really cool. So, yeah, I'll be back with another. So until then, peace.